Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Inspired with Anushka. Guys, we are discussing about the different system of classifications in which we have discussed about the two kingdom classification given by Carolus Linnaeus, then after three kingdom classification given by Haeckel, and now we are discussing about the five kingdom classification given by Whittaker, which is presently used and mostly widely accepted with by the scientist. So guys, on discussing about these kingdoms, we have discussed about the kingdom Protista, kingdom Monera and kingdom Fungi. In kingdom Fungi, a certain group which is called the lichens, which you have also have to study in the standard 9th. As you all know that I am putting my videos just based on the syllabus of standard 9th nowadays, because in the previously we have you can catch the all topics of standard 8 to at present I am doing 9th, and then after I will continue for the topics of 10th, 11th, 12th, graduation also. Okay, so guys, these all things are the basic information for the higher classes also, so you can connect from here with for the basic terms which you cannot understand in the higher classes or which is not well described by the professors in the colleges. So these basics, if you don't know, then please you can watch from my videos and you will get every topic of the biology on Inspired with Anushka channel. Okay, so guys, let's start about studying the lichen, which is a separate group. Normally we read this topic in the kingdom fungi, but separately I recognize that this should be considered. So let's start. Guys, a lichen is a close relationship or partnership between the algae and fungi. So the algae cells grows in the fungal mycelium and may make the food for the photosynthesis, and some of it is passed to the fungus. Okay, so the fungus provides shelters and protects to the algae, thus both the algae and the fungi benefits. So this is the close relationship between them. So this kind of as association between the different kinds of individual where both are benefited. So you all know that this relationship is known as what? Symbiosis. So they live in the symbiotic association. This is the introduction of lichens. Let's have a look over the characters of lichens. Lichens, they are dual organism. Lichens are symbiotic association of the specific group of fungi and algae. You must have to learn this is just combined with what? Algae and fungi combines to form lichens. So algae and lichens are included in the Thallophyta, and they grow on the rocks, trees, trunk, old walls, and even on the grounds also. By nature, they are very hard and can survive even in the adverse situation also. So they are green or grey green or brightest in color. So the fungus constitutes the bulk of the bodies of lichen. It absorbs water and nutrition from the surrounding and provides them to their partner, that is algae, which in turns the manufactured food and supplies into the fungi. Thus a perfect symbiosis relationship is associated to the fungi. Guys, lichens can be reproduced both asexually and sexually. Lichens can tolerate the prolonged drought and drastic variation in the temperature because they are so much adjustable, and they can survive in the adverse situation also. Guys, lichens are sensitive to air pollution. They are the source of essence, draw, and have the samagri, some medicines just like the Cadonia, Sertania, Lavaria, and dyes are made from this. Okay, and it is classified on the basis of shape, size, and structure. So there are three types of lichens: crustous lichens, fruticous lichens, and floreous lichens. The crustous lichens are the rhizocarbons or the graphites, graphis, and Fruticus lichens are the Alectoria, and Florius lichens are the Parmelia colima. So let's have a look over the use of lichens. They are used in the following forms: in soil formation, in making the scent, in producing of medicines, and in the production of antibiotics also. So guys, this is all about the topic lichen. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Guys, if you want to look over the different topics of the 9th or 8th class, then you can go on the previous videos and you can search with the topics. You can find all of that topics on my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel. And guys, if you have any new information about the lichens, then you can share that with me. And if you have any doubt with the topics also, then after also you can put it in the comment section and share with me. Guys, we also have to be survive in symbiosis relationship. That from there we can also you can also inspire me, and I will be also inspired with you all. So guys, keep watching my channel, and thanks so much for giving your time to me.